Test, test. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, let's see. Let's show that we're online. Hello, hello. Okay, okay. Let's see what we're working with. Let's wait for everyone to get online here. Hello, hello, hello. We are back. We are back. Are you aware of TickTick straight to funded 80% off? Whoa, 80% off. Whoa. 50K at $98. Is there, so I don't really trade that much TickTick Trader. I have a live account. I have a live account for like 8 months now, I think, or 6 months, something very long. I trade their regular direct fundeds. They have the new one. It's like the straight to funded plus. I haven't really looked too much on it. It's like cheap, but I think it's trailing drawdown. There's like restrictions. You have to make a certain amount. Do you guys like that? Let me know. Should I try that? Should we market that? I always thought like too many restrictions, even though it's like cheap, is like it's just not good. But yeah, I mean, do let me know. So market just went down or climbed back up. It is just pretty interesting. Good volatility. We have a nice gap here. Would have been pretty solid to reach tap inside, get under New York Open again, and then really rip back up. That's what ES did, and Q just has a little bit more strength today. So let's see what we're doing. I think the bias is kind of interesting. I'm not really too sure on this. I like these equal lows. I can see this moving higher, but at the same time, like this does not look too bullish on the higher time frames, right? I said like, daily we fill the gap, we can come back up, but Last of the entire time, like the 4 hour, just been very, very bearish. The hourly, a little bit difficult to measure here. The 15-minute, we flipped though, for sure. Change delivery, boom. Closure above. Looking good here. I think what I want to see is probably, if we want to go higher, right? Just one more test down, get the New York Open, and then really rip back up. That's kind of like what I would like frame up if it's like ideal. I want to see we want to take these lows out though. So yeah, I think I'm like these equal lows, and me thinking that I want to fill this gap a little bit more. Wants us to play the downside just a little bit to start first. We like the 24 758. 758. Is that where is that? Oh, up here. Okay. Chat want to know what's up with you and Desi. Is there something that happened? I think we're cool. I talk to Desi daily. He's on the shit too. He's on Top Step, running it up. What is the bullish or bearish type? Say bullish or bearish, like actually. I'm not gonna say one or two anymore. Just fix this. Bullish. We had a nice drive. I wanna be bullish overall today. I think we get one more drive down first. Why competing streams? I think he runs New York AM. I think he's also doing PM, which is fine. We want to just keep it. I mean, what we could do is just be on Discord stream while having two separate streams. But we want our ideas to be separate, you know. Let's see. Have dual stream like TV Trade by TV does. Could, but like I think we want to like he wants to grow his stream. I want to grow mine. We also want to trade. There is that drive. That's what I was looking for, and that just came so abruptly, right? Look at that. I want to see how far it can drive though. So down here is what I'm interested in. This could be like very good discount longs too. News. News at 115. Is this good for longs? A little SMT here. Good drive in. Could be playing for longs on NQ. I wanted maybe a deeper drive though. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. I don't know if it's ready yet. Do we think this is long here yet? I'm gonna wait it out. I think it's a good drive. It's a good setup. SMT. I would like a little bit lower, but if this is very bullish and we're trying to come back up, we're gonna really ramp this up. Yeah, Desert. What happened with the giveaway yesterday? I only saw it after the fact. So Matcha, we tried to do the giveaway. It kept on. It didn't work. Let me try it now. Maybe we'll try it in the mod channel. Let me try in the mod channel, maybe. Let's see if it works. I think what happened was we couldn't just enter. It wouldn't create. Okay, it works. Okay, we're good. We're good. So yeah, I just made it, and then I can click on it. There was 0 entries. It wouldn't like basically make properly. It was weird. There's that. Ooh. How, even though I wanted shorts with the equal lows, let me see if I could have played shorts, right? This is where we started straight, so we're only going to start at 1 p.m. Moves up, moves down, moves up here. Retrace, spike this high. Was there a short? I don't know if I'm going to play like this simple inversion. I would rather wait for this closure down here and then tap back in. So if it did something like this here, came back up, breaker, boom, short this here, and then take the lows. We took the low before we even retrace back up. That made it very confusing for entry. Then we're slamming down. I think we're going to go for the discount area now. Here's that drive. Ah, is this still open for longs down here though? Shorts. I'm just thinking, where could I play the short? I guess you could have played it here still, the breaker pattern. It just makes it significantly better if we had the equal low as our draw still, so we can just run through it. But here's that drive. What? Did not expect such a strong delivery either. I think we're gonna go crash down pretty good here. See if we can find a long somewhere. Still moving. You know, when I asked bullish or bearish for the next earlier, there's like majority of the chat said bullish too. That just like makes it like not the easiest to read because it looks bullish, but at the same time, I would rather see one more drive down, which I'm anticipating. Even though I wanted that short, I'm not sure I could have gotten that. But equal low just makes it significantly better, you know, just to play for that draw. 15-minute close coming up too. I'm not sure how far we go here. Mm. 15-minute tap in here. Chat, what are you guys thinking? Get a 15-minute close, get a strong breaker. That's what I'm looking at too. So what I want to see is a wick down, close back above, and not really close under these candles here. That makes it like a pretty good area for us to try to play the round back up. Wow. It's a pretty good spike here. Is that enough for us to try the longs again? Let's see. Too many gap. Let's see. That just basically makes it. We run all the way back up. I think NQ looks pretty good for longs too. $15-minute drive-in, close back above. This is looking pretty bullish right now. I think I might try to play for those longs. So far, just like a V reversal right now. We're about to close at 15-minute. I think we're gonna wait for the 130 close here first. What you guys think? You said 2 minutes, then 3 minutes. I think I've lost interest in PM session lately. Feels like trading on hard mode versus AM. AM has been pretty interesting. I think PM it hasn't been terrible. I think so far. It really hasn't. It's been sometimes difficult, sometimes hard to read, but at the same time, not terrible. August was terrible. I think September so far has been doable. AM has been being. I bet AM just sometimes just very easy to trade. AM's easy peasy today. I haven't looked at AM. Let's see. Oh, okay. I remember. Yeah. This ran up pretty nicely. I'm like close to try to see if we play the long. I'm waiting. Oh, we have the 15-minute close already. Let's see. Can't see this is a breaker. Yeah. You're either looking for shorts on ES on this run up, or you're looking for NQ longs coming. There we get a nice retrace. Rejecting here. That 15-minute closure just makes it a little bit difficult, because this could be that change of delivery and just slams us lower. I want to see us close back inside. We had an opportunity, but we didn't want to do it. Gonna let us play out a little bit more here. Shorting, yes. Working out, I guess, though. I would only look for a longs NQ short ES today. Damn, we're gonna get a nice, a big drive down again. Does not look the most bullish right now on the 5:15 time frame, 50-minute time frame. I know. I feel like NQ can hold though. Like if NQ can just inverse over this, maybe even SMT it. Quite bearish now. How's everyone doing today? Green or red so far? We haven't made a trade yet. We're only 30 minutes in. Ooh, ultra green. Best single trade for me this morning is 46.50. And next phase, nice. Dude, AM sometimes just, like today, just very fire where like you get one clean entry and just hold through and you're like, whoa, you just made a lot of money. This is potentially what I could see happening though. 15-minute change delivery or breaker, however you want to say it. We close, respected it. And then we could do a pretty nasty deep drive where it just kills the long thesis. Looks like a sell model now, man. Yeah, we're the 15-minute area of interest now. Like, this is where I'm watching closely to see if this could hold. If it does, I'm gonna try the long. For NQ, ES is just very, very bearish. We're looking for a low day on ES, looks like. Cash reward, we convert points. Do I need to cash out? You can cash out, or we could, we're probably gonna set up a way you can convert it in your own table. But cash out is fine too. Not at the BPR yet, but slowly getting there. We could also close back above here, do a 1-minute CS chase delivery. I want to see the BPR tap in first though, but let's see. Let's just watch this carefully. This is pretty bearish. It's bearish until we see if we can get this BPR first. I think we get one more good drive. We didn't want to close above the 1-minute candle here, so that's why. $30. I'm considering looking at shorts in ES while if we get an opportunity, so we can take it lower first before we try to scoop it up. Let's see. Confident lower, I think so too. We just have no confirmation upside, so like we have to by default look at downside. When do you want to switch mental direction? I'm watching this 50 BPR. This is where I said I want to entertain longs at a good discount. No S&T here. If we get a closure under this 15-minute, I think it's pretty much wraps. We're going to go for a low of day on ES, and he's going to try to go as low as it can too. I'll mark these out. We have like really air between. You see here, move back up. Not much happening. Wait, is the lower still? Or are you trying to see if we still want to play this up down here? I don't want anything under this 520s. I might try for it. I need to see if this holds well first. We're just sitting at this 15-minute BPR as I showed you guys here. This is like the last support area for NQ, which I think NQ is like the more stronger bullish side. He passed legacy count in 1 day. No, there's a 40% consistent rule. Rapid is 1 day pass, yes. This could hold here. Right where the bearish flip is. It could go for one more drive down, but I can also see this holding here. And we played this long at like 50 somewhere here. I want to keep on adding to it. We do play it. Let me see. I think ES is still the weaker one, and NQ is slightly stronger. I want to see if we can really hold this 15-minute BPR area here. And that could mean also we just take one more drive down first. before moving up, but let's see if we get a flip. We're in a higher time frame alignment right now, so it's not horrible. I'm just gonna wait for this first. Because we still have like a little bit more gap to go here. We can go to 30s, 20s. Probably gonna fire one here. I'm gonna do a starter, but I'm gonna try to see if I can scale into this. If this moves back up, I want to see this climb back up. Look at 50, low 50s here. I'll just do a starter in. So we're in one right now. Let's just see how this goes. Can see this moving a little bit lower, so I only have one in so far. Data lows. Is there news there? Let's move this side. It's been hard to add lately because I want more directional play, and we just haven't seen it yet. But yeah, big wick here and just held. I wonder if we want to try to grab that first. Looks stumpy. It does look stumpy. I mean, we tried to play shorts earlier. But now this is, I feel like this is like potentially an area where it could try to hold, especially on Q. So we got one in at 50s. We're just back at even here. I'll just try to manage this. And then what I want to see is displacement. We haven't really seen that yet. This displacement came back up here. We didn't want to hold through it. Don't like shorts on ES over longs and Q. ES is just pretty much a shorts game right now. I'm gonna give it some room here, just a little bit. If we don't get the motion here, next few candles, we'll just cut the trade early, most likely. So only one in right now. Watching to see if we want to edge lower. Inside the 15-minute here. Shit, we still have the one in. It's moving aggressively against us here. Watch for this here. Just have one at 50s. Took the low here. This is still the area that I'm watching closely for ads. So if this could sustain here, I want to just try it. Gonna try to pick another one up. I think we're gonna move our stop just right at the low of this 15-minute BPR for now. And then if we can climb back up, we're trying to see a nice run back up. So adding in. We're at this area, like if this fails, we get to the under the 15-minute BPR, trade is gone, and we're gonna hit a big loss here. So have another one. I'm gonna keep on adding to this till 3 or 4 contracts if this does keep on holding. Strong support area here. Let me go back to the one here. If this closes back above these down displacement candle, like right where we were holding out here, 54s, I'm gonna try to add another one. Trade back down. It's gonna reject it. Now we have 44 average, still with 2 cons here. Back at even for me. Yeah, I anticipated to see if this could drop one more. This could fail, but I'm gonna bet on the 15-minute BPR and seeing this can hold. Need a closure above 555s, and I think we have a good chance to really get a nice bounce here. Stack down here. Gonna open the 15-minute again. This is what I have right now. We'll put the stop in, by the way, just in case it does do like a strong push. Put it right there. If this gets under 15 minutes, I think it's gonna be doomed here. So still watching carefully. Let me remove this also. I think this pink ones. Hey, that looks better. That looks much better. Looks much smoother now. All right, I am watching to see. I'm gonna put back the 1 here. Watching to see if we can get a closure now. Show some more displacement. It was a long off, as I said. We're trying to long off the 15-minute BPR here. There's a last remaining support. We're at discount. Rejected again. That just freaking no holding this area at all. Need to give it a few more candles, probably to be anything that happens 2 p.m. If it doesn't want to move, that's it. I'm not trying to catch a knife, but at the same time, I'm looking at the support area. So this is what I was looking for shorts to play down here, and then this is where you guys are very bullish. This is where I wanted the long. So I'm just picking up where I want it. He is not doing anything either. I need to hold this area here. I'm gonna mark this out again. This is the next area here. I might play with this entry a little bit. If this gets a pop, I'm gonna take 1 off, and then we're gonna look to add back in. I just oh, this is not it. Because I think we're just going back and forth. I want to see if we can get a better entry or better cost basis. It keeps on getting rejected, chat. Why does it keep on getting rejected? Like, every single moment it does a run. Here's a spike. I'm gonna try to see if I can take one. Especially this closure here. Come on, 30 seconds left. We're looking at the next candle close. Can we closure above 55s here? Brother, what the heck? Rejected again. Back at entry. That is disgusting. This is where I was looking at too. I was like, please, let's see if we can get closure back up. I failed again. I got lie. This is not looking the greatest because of that rejection. That was like the last hope that we're looking for a drive. Let's just see. PM delivery has just been so one-sided right now so far. So far, the BPR is holding. Just need more strength here. When I go short, it looks bad because we're still holding this 15-minute. Once we flip it, I think we can have more room for lower. But I'm not the same points that we were up, we're now down on. So, ooh, that is a deep drive here. A 15-minute BPR is not looking the greatest here. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go for the lows. There's a missed calc on my side. I just closed a trade. Ooh, tough. Tough loss there. This is where I was looking for, and it refused to do it. If I saw that, I think my right analysis should have been just to close a trade once it came back down. Took a bit of a loss there. Just because it's so one-sided. I think Desi's look, he is short, so he's on the right money there. I was looking for shorts earlier, couldn't get it. I should have jabbed it though. So we're not looking the best here. We're at 800 bucks down, just because I was sizing a little bit up here with a looser stop, because I was going for a bigger target. So this is where we're looking at. So we're gonna have to really see what we can do from here, just for transparency's sake. Damn, look at that drive. Holy crap. 50-minute close in 2 minutes, actually, too. Another failed trade. Every time I come here, he's giving me a curse. Yeah, he just looks like he's going for lows. If I were to, like, I'm gonna just go hindsight, but if I were to really capture the market here, I would probably look for shorts here and then flip longs or close longs and just look for a confirmation for the long. And this is probably where I was trying to see if I can grab it, but would have been like 1, 2. ES is driving for these lows. That was pretty bad beat for me on my side, but we'll try to carry suit. I don't think I have like a strong winner yet though, because I'm looking for big targets sometimes, or not like only looking for big targets, but like if the trade does follow, it would have been pretty solid, is what I'm saying. And so far this week, I really haven't seen that. We're looking for the ES lows now. Jeez. Let's see what Desi's looking like. Desi's holding this, smacking the short hard still. Would you guys still look for shorts here? I mean, we're hitting the ES lows now. That's just bad timing. Well, also anytime we take a loss, I'm gonna try to make up for it with giveaways. So unless we can recover, hopefully we don't take a deeper loss. We'll have to be careful next one. Damn, that was such a big drive down. What to do now? What to do now, chat? Took the ES lows now. Do we still want to play the short on the next retap here? Such a big freaking sell, man. All right, chat. I'm gonna need to ask you guys now. Right now, bullish or bearish moving from this price action, or from this price delivery, moving from now, like the next hour. Are you looking for lower or higher here? I just stuck with my plan. My plan was trying to see if we can long here, but that failed. So I'm gonna say lower. Oh, I need to try to pass my foot in next as well. Let's see if we can do that today. Chat, you think we could do that? Let me see if I have everything pulled up. 62. I don't think I could short this at these lows again now. Like it's just you guys gonna hate me for that, but I'll just see what we could do. Short would be at like a good retrace. I'm not sure of these lows because I missed it. Even if it dumps a lot more. But yeah, bad judgment. I should have played the short already. But part trading, guys, we're gonna win, we're gonna lose. We built these counts up pretty massively, so not gonna sweat over a loss too much. I need chat to give me the next play now. We need to get away from the curse first. Should we take the next trade on the fund next to pass these evals though? It's my question. There's no way we're shorting this still, right? Short, maybe if we come back a little bit inside this gap here, then we can play for the lows. ES already took the low. I'm not even sure how far we want to go here. Flip the 1 minute here too, or 30-second here. Part of me wants to play back in, but what do you guys think, chat? Is long still good here? Let's see the reversal. I'm game with the reversal, to be honest. I might just need to size in like and scale it as we go though. For those looking at the reversal, where are you guys playing it? Wow, look at that reverse already. Let's see if we can tag in. I think we have a good shot to come back up to where we were longing, right? See if we can get something here. We'll leave with this closure most likely, and maybe we can play off of it. No structured answer. That's the thing. No structure right now, which is difficult. Very, very difficult. Should have waited for the long a little bit though. Let's see where we close here. What's up? What's up? Might see this tag in. Chat, don't follow me today if it's against your bias. If this fails again and just goes straight through, we're just gonna like make another low. All right, let me pull up my eval account. I need to pull it up. All right, we're good to go. So we need, I think, $600 to pass these funded next. So maybe chat can tell me where to play here. Depending on where this comes back up, if ES wants to just get a flip here, that would be pretty massive. We probably need this whole thing to be flipped though, to get a nice change to delivery before we get real displacement back up. I think this is a long move though. You don't listen. I told you short earlier. It's definitely bad now. I mean, I could have played it earlier. Yeah, I would have liked to play it before we even tapped inside the BPR and just target it and see if there's a flip opportunity. Which I don't know if we will get the flip opportunity since we got no closure. Getting some displacement here. I'm going to see if we get closure now. Weekly for VAGAP is like another 300 points away. Okay, closer in ES, yeah. Got this closure now. I think we're good for longs. Could try longs on this next tap here. See if we get continuation. Got 500 flat. 5-minute flip 2 would be pretty good. We're just moving. I didn't get any good size in, but I'm also looking for ads or a entry that I can take with you guys. I'm not gonna chase this. Just past 18 Apex Gal. Well done, well done. I'm game for longs right now. Let me get this tapped though. Look at that drive. Fucking crazy, crazy, crazy. Are you guys still bearish here? I think we have enough displacement. We're ready to see a nice reversal back up after such a big drive, multiple drives down. Looking at this area here. A little bit lower. I'm gonna try to tap back in. If we get slightly lower him. Maybe something like this. Still going. I definitely want to try the long though. Damn, what the hell? We're just moving without it. Well, how's ES doing? ES is also flipped already. I'm trying to get the long guys. Just left without me. Holy crap. That is annoying. Anyone trying the long there? I took one scalp from down here, and I want to see if I can actually get a size in. Not much to play here for me. Even the 1 minute is just not good. I feel like if you look at the 2, maybe you could go for the closure here. But I'm just looking for a soft dry back in. Very, very strong strength. Wow. And this is going to be approaching the target that I wanted to hit. The question now, do you guys like shorts back where we were, or is the sell side taken? We have low SMT here. Is that good enough to avoid shorts, and now we're just only looking for longs? We flipped the 5 minute too. That's gonna be pretty massive. You long at 480, target 560, nice. That's a very good entry. That's what I was talking about, like a V reversal here. After taking out the ES low, you're just shorting the low, is just terrible. We're just still going. This has so much strength. It's ungodly strength. Don't think I can short this either yet. V-shape, V-shape. I think if we take shorts, it's gonna be a scalp. It'd be like a quick scalp. Not looking for a big target, not looking for low day or anything, just something where we look for a flip. We're just fucking ripping. I just had the long at the wrong timing previously, but I think this is still gonna go. Still gonna shoot for stars. It's just gonna go. Where's the next spot for longs here? Probably here. One more drive. I'm not in longs anymore. I'm actually trying to see if I can get back in. I'm not getting any opportunities right now. They're just leaving without me. What is making it so freaking aggressive that it's just shooting so hard now? I have no idea what's making it so aggressive here. What is happening with tech? Let's see. Apple. I guess Apple is a good question right now. Like, it makes me want to short for a scalp and try to see if I can pick up longs back in. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do here. If we get something. No chance right now. Like, this is next area for longs is most likely a drive to 550s again. So this would be the next area for longs. Probably be looking for something in this. So anything before that, I'm gonna be looking for what I can. This is what I'm setting up, framing up right now. If we get a big spike, I'm gonna try to jab one short. Still holding, right? Chat, give me a setup right now. What are we doing? I'm thinking short. I'm thinking right now short for longs down here. Longs is probably right here. Don't eat the spike. I need to see it lower first. It just ate that spike. Short base of all that's what we're waiting for. We're trying to look for something to play for a quick retrace, then flip long. I think longs is the right objective right now, though. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try one in, and then I'm gonna try to flip back down if we get to, where was it? This gap here, the 40s. I'm gonna give one in right now. Just a jab, just honestly a jab, and I'm hoping that we can get enough down below here to 40s for a long. If it's wrong, it's wrong. This is on my personal. I'm gonna try to shift to personal until I wait for a setup on my funded. We didn't even tap this area, so yeah, I'm still looking for. I'm not longing up here. I'm definitely not longing up here. This is much better here. I'll probably do something. If I take on an ES, it'll be something like this. If I take on NQ, I'll mark it out right now. Most like this. Still looking for this, if we can get this long. Retrace market guarantee, yeah, that's the thing. I put one skin in the game, it helps me be prepared when it does come. If it does come. But this is exactly where I would play it now. With the 5-minute closure now, this next 5-minute tap in is going to be crucial. And I don't think you're looking to buy up here, if I'm honest. Dude, Apple is just going nuts here. Look at Apple here, guys. What the fuck? It just won't stop. That's why we're not moving. Philip C says he's shorting here. I think this is a decent area right now. Moving as in, sorry, not moving at all, but moving back in towards like where we're looking for entry. Of course we're moving. We're like pumping the skies right now. What a freaking bad misguide day. If we can get something. So in short, I'm still taking the jab. I added one more in the 80s here, but still looking for 50s drive in so I can play it. And that's still in the game. Is the buy one get one free only one per? There's no buy one get one free. You're talking about the payout bonus, or you're looking at smart points. There's no BOGO here. We don't do BOGOs. We for sure don't do BOGOs. It's payout bonus. So you have to pass it, and then you have to get a payout. Or if you have direct funded, that also applies. But if you get a payout, you can claim for it. Points is for October. We have a lot of things in the back end ready. And setting up still with a lot of prop firms. So I'll give some time in there. This is just refusing. Anyways, my live account, I think we're at 170,000. I traded a little bit earlier today. Maybe I'll pop up. Can I log in Tradeovate on my live account and also have an NinjaTrader connected? I might be able to, can, right? Probably can. Where was that? 230. God damn. This is no longer interested for me to long until we get a nice drive. I think I'm more interested in seeing if we can get a nice rejection off of shorts, most likely off of a first flip here. Like this candle here. This would be good. I traded morning and day. The first day, I think I was trading while I was doing work. I haven't traded my personal in a long time. I don't trade my funded off stream, but my personal, sometimes I'll make like some Robinhood purchases or my cash count. But it's like very brief. Let's see how my Robinhood is doing right now. I don't know how we're looking. We're probably red today, right? Yeah, it's because the stocks I'm holding most likely is going down just because it's been getting such a beat right now. But we're not holding that much in value right now. Very light, mostly cash still. So Russia's begging for the nighttime peace talk with USA. Is that the case?
Order filled.
I'm gonna add another one my cash count here. Cash count has a lot more wiggle room. All right, they triggered it. Okay, we're good. So we have 4 contracts right now. I made a little bit of money in the morning, but we're gonna try to risk it to see if we can go the extra mile here. I'm not trading my funded. I'm gonna wait for funded for longs, but we have 4 in. Could get back, but I don't think this is gonna be the long that I want yet. I'm gonna say it. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna try to close a trade if we get above 600. Oh, we're gonna do giveaways today. Yeah, we can do it today. You guys hear the order filled? I'm gonna disable it so it doesn't confuse you guys. Because when I try to trade rate, that's what it does. How do I do it? Or audio notification. There it is. There it is. So there should be no more notification now. Down 700 on my live right now. What a monstrous push. Pushing, pushing. Damn, look at that. Still going. Not the best looking day for me yet until we see a flip. Oh, you're saying nice one here. Come on, I need to see some more displacement. Who knows how this plays out, chat? Gonna probably look for ads if we get this. I'm looking for a pretty big drive back, most likely to these lows here. Bare minimum. What the heck just happened? Close, and we're gonna try to add into this. I don't believe in longs anymore until we get down here, so looking for only shorts here. We got nice closure, change delivery on low time frame. I think we have a lot to imbalance or to rebalance here, so we're looking for a bare minimum drive to 50s. I'm playing the short. Actually looking pretty good here. 30-second flips, I think this plummets down. All right, we're gonna try to see if we can add to this. Still looking for lower. My buy is lower now. I'll do something like this right now. We'll keep it like a little bit above the highs, and then this is going to be the first target. This fails, I'm just going to be cooked for today. Good rejection. I need to see real follow through under 70s here, 470s. Nope, not yet. Back up. Taking this in my personal. Tough. Come on. Not copy trading on this personal because I only have one live. Like, this is like my actual cash count. But this is what we're looking like right now. Gonna hold through this. Big push. Come on. Gonna give back profits I've made literally AM today if this keeps pushing. I don't know if this is too tight of a stop either. Let me see. Ah, disgusting. Come on. No follow through. This looks so clean for a nice tap in, right? I'm still waiting to see if this can hold here. It keeps on turning every second it gets. Let me just move this over here. How much you risk? I'm trading on one cash count, so this is like a count with like 170,000. This is why I started with 100,000. So this my sizing is much different on this count because you copy trade with like 20 counts or something. That's like 2 contracts to be 40 max exposure. Dude, what is making this move so aggressively? Let me see what is it freaking Apple? Holy crap, it is Apple. Apple's moving like crack right now. Let's see. Could be a tough beat today for me. We should do the giveaways while we run it here, guys. Let's do that. Because we're nearly getting close in 3 p.m. and not much to wait for here. But just really bad beat for me right now, looks like. I'm risking my own money on this too, so let's do 10 minutes. Tough beat indeed. Giving back a lot of the cash I had today, damn. Apple just announced a new iPhone color. No, you that's funny. Pretty bad beat indeed. Let's just look at the charts here. We're just ripping, just got cooked there. Got cooked. Wow, we are just still fucking going. I already got stopped out there, guys. It's insane how gapped up we just did just now. I try to put the stop where I think like this is no more, not much of a chance this plays out more, but if we had this long, I want to see if we could hold it all this high here, 645s. Anyways, we're gonna wrap this up. I don't think I'm gonna tag back in here. Tough beat day. Holy crap. Did I expect this? No, I did not expect to be on the wrong side of both sides. We have quite a little bit of time here. for this. If you guys want to enter the giveaway. Holy crap. This would have been like near the TP target I wanted. I think we're going for PM highs. Damn. Pretty bad beat today. I'm just reflecting at him like, damn, did I really mess up this bad on this trade? Probably because of this freaking apple here, right? It just, look at it just moving. Ever since, what, 130 here? 130? Where is that? That's like probably where the reversal is. No, this is way too far. But if you guys went into the giveaway, feel free to. We have 6 more minutes, 3 accounts of your choice. Got out running back next day. Got cooked today. I'm not gonna lie. That was not the best trading performance I wanted to deliver today. If I'm honest with you guys. What are now is where we come back down. Press one. No, you were not pressing one into giveaway. We're doing the giveaway bot, by the way. I don't know who's spreading false information. Five more minutes. I think 5 more minutes are gonna wrap this up. I don't think I'm gonna stick around for today. Let's try cool off and see you reset for tomorrow. What do you think of the PW and Rena situation? I think PW always goes pretty hard against his guests as an entertainer, and I think it's understandable, but I think I would lean, like, even though I don't like PW, like, this is my opinion, just like, you gotta expect that he might be taking jabs at you. You need some thick skin on it, you know? Because it's Patrick. Like, what do you expect, really, right? Expect him to be a caring person. Now we gotta get the drive now. Did he really get sapped? Can someone share a clip of that? Like, I don't know what happened. Apparently, he got slapped, and I'm so curious if that was the case or not. Two more minutes, guys. Let's look at charts here. Getting a nice drop again, but could be just the wrong time, wrong place again. Every single time, right? She's keep on being the wrong side of the trade. All right, giveaway winner, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Enter. There's 385 entries right now. Make sure you guys enter. Give you guys a free chance. It looks like we're dumping all day back down. In a minute, we'll see who is the rigged winner for today. $25 seconds, guys. No one got slapped. That's what I'm hearing. That would be such a good clip to see Patrick get slapped because he was being rude, I guess, in that case. Wait, what? Is the second going up? You guys see that? I promise y'all I'm not rigging this shit. Does Matcha know? It's going up. It's going up. What in the world is happening here? There we go. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. That was the weirdest thing I've seen. Winners today is Platoon Trader, Marks, and Abraham. If you're one of them, make a ticket in Discord here. It should be right here. Submit this ticket. Giveaway claims. Congrats to the winners here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. See you guys. Have a good one.